Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we take the guesswork out of your purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the high-flying world of drones. On the left, we have the ATTOP Drone W10, and on the right, we have the Loiley drone. Let's see which of these mini flying machines is worth your hard-earned cash. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price, because we all know you don't want to break the bank on a drone, right? The ATTOP Drone W10 is priced at a cool $69. On the other hand, the Loiley drone comes in at $99. Reviewers have noted that the ATTOP Drone W10 offers great value for its price, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. However, the Loiley drone, despite being more expensive, justifies its price with additional features and build quality. Moving on to camera quality, both drones boast a 1080p HD camera. The ATTOP Drone W10 has a 120 degrees wide-view lens, perfect for capturing wide landscapes. Meanwhile, the Loiley drone's camera can be adjusted up to 90 degrees remotely, giving you a bit more flexibility to capture those epic drone selfies. Reviewers generally appreciate the camera quality of both drones, but some noted that the ATTOP Drone W10's camera might require an Android phone for optimal use. Now, let's see which one is more beginner-friendly. The ATTOP Drone W10 has some nifty tricks like toss to launch, one-key takeoff landing, and altitude hold. Perfect for those of us who are new to flying drones. Loiley's not far behind, offering one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and even an emergency stop for those "oh crap" moments. Plus, it's got a dedicated app for control. Reviewers have found both drones to be user-friendly, but some have mentioned that the ATTOP Drone W10 might drift in auto-hold mode. For those of you who think you're Maverick from Top Gun, let's talk advanced flight functions. The ATTOP Drone W10 supports headless mode, 360 degrees flips, and 3 gear speeds. You'll be doing aerial acrobatics like a pro, or at least until you crash into a tree. Loiley also offers 360 degrees flips, gravity sensing, and the ability to add music and filters to your shots. Reviewers love the advanced features on both drones, but some found the ATTOP Drone W10 difficult to control at times. Let's talk portability. The Loiley drone takes the cake here. It's so compact and lightweight that you can literally fold it up and fit it in your pocket or backpack. Perfect for those spontaneous drone adventures. Meanwhile, the ATTOP Drone W10 is great, but unless you've got cargo pants with endless pockets, it's not quite as travel-friendly. Reviewers have praised the Loiley drone for its portability, making it a favorite for on-the-go use. Safety first, folks. The ATTOP Drone W10 comes with propeller guards and a remote that alerts you when the battery is low. So no surprise crashes, unless you're just really bad at flying. Loiley one-ups here with 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you 25 to 30 minutes of flight time. Plus, it's got low battery warnings too. Reviewers appreciate the safety features on both drones, but they particularly love the extended flight time provided by the Loiley drone. Reviewers have found the ATTOP Drone W10 to be a great budget-friendly option with user-friendly features and decent camera quality. However, some have noted issues with control and drift. On the other hand, the Loiley drone has been praised for its advanced features, portability, and extended flight time, making it a favorite among both beginners and experienced users. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP Drone W10 is great if you're looking for a budget-friendly beginner drone with some cool tricks. But if you're willing to spend a bit more for extra features and portability, the Loiley drone might just be your new best friend. Either way, both drones are sure to elevate your aerial photography game. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another comparison. Fly high, smart shoppers! Also, let us know in the comments which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.